Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. If you follow the AI trends, you must be familiar with the name like Open Cloud, Thermos Cloud. Everybody doing clouds now, right? So Open Cloud is an agent that runs in your computer, and this agent can control everything in your computer. It's a beautiful concept and people find it quite useful. Today I'm gonna introduce something better than Open Cloud in some way. Meet TuyaClaw. What is TuyaClaw? TuyaClaw is an agent that can control your smart home, operate desktop apps, and able to control your social medias. That's quite insane, right? And what I love about the TuyaClaw is that unlike OpenCloud, you need to install many environments and deploy many applications. But TuyaClaw, you just simply download the version that is suitable for you and don't need to deploy any complicated environment. I've been using TuyaClaw for a week and I cannot leave this tool, to be honest, because it's very convenient for me and it understands me better than any other agent. And if you find this interesting, maybe you can give it a try. So TuyaClaw is like the Superman. Not only can control everything inside the screen, but outside the screen, like the real world. If you install their smart home applications, turn off the lights and open TV, open your imagination. So those types are functionality of the TuyaClaw. AI PPT, image generation, background music. Well, so inside or outside the screen, this agent can control. Alright, enough of talking. Let's do some demonstration, okay? So firstly, we need to download a version that's suitable for us. So you got a version for Windows, you got a version for Mac OS, and also cloud version. So let's try this first. Alright, after download this application, we are opening this. I love application with Windows. Come on. OpenCloud doesn't have this. Everything runs inside of the terminal. That's very complicated for non-coding background people just like me. But TuyaClaw is quite easy. So basically on our left side, we have a menu and you can close off by click here. So here we have our digital workers. I got my default one. And if you want to create a new worker, you can simply click here. You can type the name and the role definition. For example, like the very good at making presentation, and you can make a workspace and a file to copy. So you got the agent MD, and we got this skill store. So inside of skill store, you got a lot of stores that you can install by single click. It's already been installed, and also OpenAI Whisper installed. Those are necessary skills. And beneath we have a categories that we can tap. For example, like the development tool, you can find all the necessary tools for developer if you are one. So you got Notion skills, you got API gateway, YouTube watcher. What is a YouTube watcher? It sets a fetch and reads transcriptions from YouTube videos. Use when you need to summarize a video, answer questions about its content. Oh, I need this, so let's install this. After that, let's just open one of my video and let's click and let's enter our dialog and ask AI to make a summary of this video. I don't know if it can succeed. Let's click here. Alright, now our agent answered. It looks like a video about someone showing off their personal AI assistant setup. Yeah, and it's capture my title. Basically, this is a script of my video. Oh my god. Let's going back to skill store. You also have a Gmail skills that you can install, like the YouTube. Oh my god. You can do everything with this guy. Easy to install just by one single click. And also you can have a YouTube transcript. So with LinkedIn API integration, you can share the post to LinkedIn. Oh my god. Almost every skills are attractive. Okay, now we're moving to the task tab. So here you can build up your task. So for example, like the checking my Gmail, and you can ask AI to check your Gmail inbox like every hour or every day, every week. So basically, you can communicate with your cloud through any software in the list. For example, like the Telegram, like the Discord, WhatsApp, TikTok, Facial, QQ, and WeChat. How to sign up? So basically, going back to digital workers and click here, click add channel. And for example, like the WeChat, and you can click here, generate a QR code. And after you scan this QR code, you're able to communicate with Tuya by WeChat. And what if I want to communicate with my robots through like the Discord? But Discord is a little bit more complicated. So you need to type your bot token and service ID. Let me try to chat with my bot. I asked my TuyaClaw, what's your name and how's going? And it replies very cozy mode, like, I don't have a real name yet. Want to give me a one? Maybe an emoji? And here I found this button. So right now we're talking through an API called GPT. Apparently it's using GPT. And also we have Cloud, Sonnet, Cloud Opus. This is very expensive, but very useful API. And then let's ask AI to do some task, maybe complicated one. For example, like making a presentation. How about that? Okay, now TuyaClaw just help us to build up the presentation file. Let's click here to preview. Oh, that looks very nice. In fact, we have a different layout. We have a different background and the color, even emojis. Oh my God. So this is 2026, huh? You don't actually need to do work like presentation. Free yourself from the work. And let's ask AI to do another. So now I asked TuyaClaw to make an Excel in my desktop showing the best NBA player and their scores. Let's see if this is accurate data. And the cloud says I'm creating an all-time NBA stars spreadsheet with the 20 best players. Let's give a second. Well, imagine if I'm the guy who counting all the data of the NBA, I would be happy with TuyaClaw, right? See, the top one is my favorite, Michael Jordan. And the second, LeBron James. And you can find all the data of the games, the points, the rebounds, assists, and blocks. Oh my God, and even more. That is so dope, right? In fact, this is not all you can do. Remember, we have a skill store, right? So these are default installed skills. So for example, like the Gmail, we are already installed it with these skills. Let's ask weather because we have a weather skills. The question is, what's the weather of New York right now compared to Tokyo? All right, so today the New York weather is mostly cloudy and you got temperature information, you got wind information, and for Tokyo you also have temperature information and wind temperature feels like information, and you can have the both in the comparison sheet and you can check different data. Oh my God. Now let's see if the TuyaClaw can do what I do with Chrome, okay? Oh my God, what is happening? Oh, now the Chrome opens Google automatically. Oh my God. Can you actually believe it? This robot actually opens my Chrome and searching for me. And also this robot got the result from the browser. Can you imagine what TuyaClaw can do for you? So my prompt is make a website in my desktop showing the features of the TuyaClaw in black and red style. Let's click here. Oh, can you actually believe this? This is generated by our TuyaClaw. TuyaClaw is a really amazing tool. You can even ask TuyaClaw to control stuff beyond the screen into your real world. Hey, what do you do for work and what TuyaClaw can help you? Let me ask one more question. If TuyaClaw can add one more functionality for you, what were you wishing for? Don't forget to post your answer to the comment section. FYI, don't forget to check the useful links in the description zone, including the website of the TuyaClaw, the TuyaClaw YouTube, and also Discord of the TuyaClaw. Alright, so much for today. Hope you liked today's content, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Hey, hey! Don't forget to subscribe to James Shee's channel.